Hey guys, this is Fundo on Ranchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Khanyo warned kaMandonsela must stop to help Nkululeko marriage Thokozile spirit. She thought that Thokozile spirit will fight again with him. Narubi gave Menzi advice. She said that Menzi must clean up and any tracks of involvement on the hijacking of truck. Nokzola shrinks when she hears that Kulego is doubting the efficacy of the marriage ceremony. Do you think kaMandonsela will continue with helping Kulego after conversation with Khanyo? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.